Hey guys, just want to make a video showing you how you can blend libraries from different templates. So we'll go into my garage section as just an example, and if we hit edit section, edit library category, by default Scribeware will load basically categories that are in your template. So this would be a bunch of things that I have access to, but if I want access to all of my library categories, I would go under library up here, right, and then come under these three dots and show all categories. Now if I go into the report and we edit the section and we edit the library category, now you see all this weird stuff that you didn't see before. I've got a lot of templates going on in my account, so these are from all these different templates. So I could type in the word garage, and now, checkbox garage, some other template garage, here's some kind of a-hit template. So there's all these different things from that different garage categories that I could go ahead and then link. So like if, for example, we imported a template for you, but you wanted some of the narrative comments, you could edit section, edit library category, and start typing in there. And here's like narrative garage, right? You could then have access to those. Cool. I hope that makes sense.